Run the code online or download from codegithub.com, link in the description below. Title: A Beginner's Guide to Data Science Projects on GitHub with Python. Introduction. Data science projects provide a hands-on approach to learning and implementing various data analysis and machine learning techniques. GitHub serves as an excellent platform for sharing, collaborating, and showcasing your data science projects. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to create and share data science projects using Python on GitHub. Prerequisites. Steps to create a data science project on GitHub. Set up your GitHub account. If you haven't already, sign up for a GitHub account at https://github.com. Install Git. Install Git on your local machine. You can download Git from https://git-scm.com and follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Set up a new repository. Set up your local environment. Create your data science project. Commit your changes. Push your project to GitHub. Add a readme.md file. Share your project. Example data science project. Let's create a simple data science project to analyze and visualize a dataset using Python. We'll use the iris dataset for this example, which contains information about 3 different species of iris flowers. Conclusion. Creating data science projects on GitHub with Python is a great way to showcase your skills, collaborate with others, and contribute to the data science community. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and using the example provided, you can start building your own data science projects and sharing them with the world. ChatGPT.